Have you ever woken up from a deep sleep feeling like you've changed perspective? Your feelings have changed. You found a newfound wisdom towards something that has been lingering within you. I like to think of it as normal, isn't it? I've been living with this anxiety and I've been on medication and they have been working gradually, almost like I'm regaining control of myself and learning how to live and engage in just being again and learning to distinguish these anxious voices. So as you would guess, I have lived with them constantly telling me off, telling me something is wrong with me, what I'm doing at this moment, my life, uncontrollably being overcritical and judgmental of myself, almost being like a full-time officer with a whip to myself, watching every word and thought and feeling and action, constant monitoring, constant gauging. That's a harsh way to describe it, but let me tell you, it really isn't, because it really is cruel. And everyone can have these voices. So that morning when I woke up, it was almost like I was looking at myself from the outside, and this deep feeling of subtle anger against this habit of self-monitoring and criticism, the constant harshness towards myself. I was angry at myself for allowing myself to do it, against myself, to myself. I felt, would I allow myself to be this harsh on someone else? No, of course not. I'd find it wrong and out of boundaries. It's so easy to think that I'm a good person because I'm understanding, kind, loving, and non-judgmental towards others. But am I really a good, kind person when I am capable of having this harshness towards myself? A human being, just like any other. So to you, as much as it is to me, I say, let go of that harshness and its unreasonable judgment towards yourself. I think it's the act itself that is cruel, despite of who it's directed towards. So why do it? Why do such an unkind thing? Be kind to yourself.